it's Jackson, and today we're going to have a Freddy Fazbear's review, but there's two. Since I'm very fan of Freddy Fazbear's, we ordered emoji pack Freddy Fazbear's and the Freddy Fazbear's keychain pack. And let's open the emoji one first. And let's see. Bonnie! Bonnie! Ah. He did. Let's take a more look at Bonnie. And this is the way he looks upside down. And there we go. And now we're going to do this. Wait. Test it. Okay, I guess well, that was easy. Oh, I know who it is. Let's do it again. Toy Bonnie! Thinking Toy Bonnie again. Toy Bonnie. I know you already had seen them 20 times. Or like 3 times. This is Bonnie. More closely. Wow! And wow! Both of them are Bonnies. This is Toy Bonnie, this is regular Bonnie. Bonnies, they're a match. Bye guys. Wow.